In this video, I'm going to show you how to curve text in Adobe Express. To begin, open your project in Adobe Express. On the left side of your screen, click on the Add option and then select Add Text. Once the text box appears, you can move it to any position on your canvas and type your desired text inside it. If you want to curve the text, first make sure the text box is selected. After selecting the text, you will see several options on the left side of the screen. Ensure you are in the Edit section. Scroll down until you find the Text Layout option. Click on it, and you will see various layout options that allow you to curve your text. Adobe Express currently offers options to curve text into a full circle or a semicircle. Simply select the desired layout, and your text will automatically adjust to the selected curve shape. If you decide to switch to a different curve style later, you can revisit the Text Layout section and choose a different option. Currently, Adobe Express only provides these preset options for curving text, and there's no manual control for adjusting the curve between these fixed shapes. This is how you can curve text in Adobe Express.